Hello my friend, today we are making spicy vegan cauliflower and our ingredients are 1 head of cauliflower. Just make sure you clean and rinse very well. And then I have about a cup and a half breadcrumbs. And for the spice you need Spanish paprika, or you can use regular paprika. And then I have chipotle powder and garlic salt, and then almond milk to make the batter. So we mix all the ingredients. Start with 1 cup of almond milk. The butter a little thicker, so we add more, just enough to dip our cauliflower into it. It is perfect. If you have a non-stick tray you can use. If you don't, just put tin foil paper and then just oil it a bit. Healthy meatless wing. Now our meatless wing is going in the oven at 400 degrees. Bake for about half an hour. Second part of the process, we are making our sauce now. 1 teaspoon brown sugar, or you can use white sugar, doesn't matter. A teaspoon olive oil, just to melt the sugar. So we just let the sugar dissolve with the oil. So the reason I put the sugar is just to take the edge off the spiciness. I will put half cup ketchup. And then we add our sriracha sauce, and then reduce your heat and let it bubble. Sauce is making its way. We'll check our wing, see how it's doing. Our wing looks good. We'll just make sure, just flip it a bit. I'll put the wing back. It needs a little bit more cooking. Okay, so our chicken wing is ready now. The next step is give the wing a rub with the sauce we made. So make sure they're all coated nicely, evenly. Turn them around and give them a nice coat. Evenly coated. Now we'll put them back in the oven. Broil for about 5 minutes. Broil is very high heat, so we just keep an eye on it. So broil, start, and 5 minutes. Okay, here is our chicken wing. So here is our spicy vegan wing. Hope you enjoy this video, and let me know how you like it if you make it. And thank you, and then I'll see you on the next video. Ciao ciao.